Welcome. Today we'll learn about a product called pimple patches. SANIDERM Pimple Patch is made from hydrocolloid patches material. It acts as a protective barrier over pimples, absorbs oil and residue, and is designed to be invisible and ultra-thin. Package contains. Each pack of SANIDERM Pimple Patch contains 24 hydrocolloid patches in different sizes. Composition: polyurethane film 0.510% with W. Cellulose gum 25 to 30% with W. Petroleum resin 30 to 35% with W. Uses: SANIDERM Pimple Patches. Hydrocolloid are designed to protect and promote natural healing of breakouts and acne. They act as a barrier against external elements and hand contact to prevent inflammation, irritation or scarring. SANIDERM Pimple Patches act as a sponge to absorb oily secretions, fluids, and pus, and are perfect for daytime or overnight use. It creates a clean environment that allows your skin to heal naturally, helps prevent picking by protecting the pimple, which can reduce its appearance. Suitable for use by both men and women. Application: cleanse and dry your face. Select a suitable size patch and apply. Gently press the edges for better adhesion. Leave on for 6 to 8 hours or overnight for best results. Once the color has changed to white, it means all oily secretions have been absorbed. Reapply if required. Makeup can be applied over it. Possible side effects: while generally safe, some users may experience mild reactions, especially if they have sensitive skin or allergies. Possible side effects include skin irritation or redness, mild itching or rash, and discomfort if the film is applied to broken or inflamed skin. If severe irritation occurs, it's best to discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. Caution and storage: for external use only. Store unused patches in the sealed pouch. Discontinue use if irritation occurs and refer to a dermatologist. Store at room temperature, away from sunlight. Manufacturer and buy online. SANIDERM Pimple Patch is manufactured by SANIDERM. It is marketed by Uniferos Pvt. Limited. It is available online, or you can purchase it from any nearby pharmacy. A pack of SANIDERM Pimple Patch contains 24 hydrocolloid patches in different sizes and is available at a retail price of around 263 to 350 rupees, 2026. Thanks for watching and supporting. Take your medicines as your doctor or pharmacist prescribes them. You can check its article at MedsArchive.com. Have you ever used this medication? Please share your experience in the comments. Which medicine should we cover next? Your suggestion could be our next video. MedsArchive 1.